Hi everyone, I'm Ola and you're welcome back to my kitchen. So for today I have something new for you guys. I'll be making pan roasted veg potatoes. I hope you stay tuned and remember to share this video, like and as well subscribe. So please do come along with me. Here you have it guys, our pan roasted veg potatoes is ready. Please guys, remember to like this video, share and do what? Subscribe. And remember this, your life goes in the direction of what you say. So please be conscious of what comes out from your mouth. Have a blessed day and remember, it's good to have you guys here. Bye.